I am Kwoineh Haba, author of Curse Cats Can't Kill Their Master, and my most recent contest entry, Count Yourselves Damned, I Live in Georgia. So, as it's pretty obvious to you, I'm giving a testimonial on the Writers' Workshop that they opened in 2020. And as you can see, I earned certificates for my technically second entry into the contest, which is pretty cool. I didn't even know I got a place. So, here are my two bits, I guess. Before this course, I did know how to write a story. It kind of runs in my family. My dad's an author himself. But I was blind to how to actually tell it in my voice, my way, to compel the story to want more. You often look at Stephen King or Rick Riordan or J.K. Rowling sometimes and you think, wow, I want to do that. But then you actually get to your computer or you put your pencil to paper and you got nothing. That happens to me a lot. But I digress. Let's start with the videos. The videos were pretty cool. It was also nice to hear from Orson Scott Card. The essays are actually what spoke to me more, because I'm the sort of learner who likes to have something to read in front of me, something that's tangible, or concerning the fact that, pandemic, something that I can download to read on my computer. There's this one particular article at the beginning that really speaks to me. How you can find a story in what you think are insignificant details. Writing is about creating these elaborate universes that nobody's ever seen before, and it's way harder than being a surgeon or something, because at least that can be taught. But you often tend to look at the big picture and not the little details that you actually twist together, you braid together in order to make that story. It's because of little things like that that I actually figured out how to even get this honorable mention that you see here. So, what I'm trying to say here, really, is that we often forget that there's a good little story in the little baubles we find lying about, wastebasket kabanga, that you'll find in the article I referenced. And that part of creating a new story is by researching the bits of the past that we often overlook. When I entered this initially, I kind of didn't really know what else I was going to do. I mean, right now I'm 16, I'm gonna have to learn how to manage all this, which is why it's nice to have this contest or stuff like this contest to work on, to have something to dedicate yourself to, even if you're not sure of the outcome. It's nice to have something like that. It's good to have something like that, okay? So, to all my fellow authors out there, regardless of where you're in this contest or not, by the way, you should be, especially those who have not graduated from high school, you might be feeling that you're halfway there and you're not sure of where to turn for help. Well, this course was made for that, regardless of the fact that it was made because of the pandemic, okay? You've wanted guidance on the hook. You've wanted advice on nailing that suspense for building up to the climax and slowly fading all of it back down into the conclusion. Well, that's what this course is for. This is your Hogwarts. This is your dojo. This is your Anakin Skywalker, your Mr. Miyagi, okay? This is where it's at. So, as a person who actually took and completed the course, because, hello, certificate, right here, seize it. Take that chance. And to anybody who's currently got an entry in the contest, like I do, or at least is thinking about entering something they've already worked on, good luck. And hey, when it gets out, if I'm actually able to buy it, I can't wait to see your stories. Good luck!